Hello people and welcome back to Caught on DashCam channel, a channel that features some of the craziest road encounters ever caught on driver's dashcam. This episode is going to be packed with all sorts of crazy moments, so make sure to stick till the end. Without any further ado, let's jump right into this episode. You have to be extra cautious during snow and icy roads. Adjust your speed limit according to the conditions or else you might start to skid like some drivers here.
Idiot.
Okay.
Idiot.
Who yelled from up?
Are you serious, man?
Better.
What the man?
Driver forgot to stay in his lane and that nearly caused a lot of headache for both him and the camera who were turning.
Back from rape possessed.
Oh, okay. Okay, Presto.
You want to pull in and make sure everybody...
Pay close attention at the driver who merged onto the road from the left side. Instead of waiting to make a safe merging maneuver, he decided to risk it all. This is why tailgating is never a good idea. Be smart, people. Always keep a safe distance between you and the car in front, because you can never know when a driver like this one might appear.
Okay, Garmin.
Wow.
Save video.
Pay close attention at the van driver on the left side of the camera. It was dark, snowy, and he was driving without his lights on.
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Driver in a blue car will appear shortly and he'll cut right in front of the camera with no sign beforehand. This caught the camera off guard and he had to move over to the shoulder.
Players all roll a d8 but keep it hidden. They then get to allow a raise, call, or fold. Then everyone publicly rolls a d6.
Oh, what the?
Roll another round of bets. And the verdict will end, then publicly roll
What the hell was that?
final betting round, and then everyone reveals the d8 that they had originally rolled, tie them up, and the highest number wins the round.
Yes guys, we even have this. These drivers parked in the middle of a busy interstate. Unbelievable. Snowstorm caused the roads to become slick, and dozens of people were stuck on the hill in both directions along Tiny Town Road near the creek. They had no traction in snow and ice. Some people were even out of their cars pushing them.
House and you look outside and you see a train outside. Dude, you had a green light.
And with this clip, we conclude yet another epic episode on Cora DashCam channel. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed watching it. But more importantly, I hope you learned something out of these drivers' mistakes. After all, it's the main purpose of this channel to make you realize that certain things are not acceptable in traffic, so you'll avoid making them as well. If you like this type of content, feel free to hit that like button and subscribe, because it really helps this channel grow. Thank you for all your support so far, and until the next episode, drive safe and take care.